This is our filter production base. Annual design capacity exceeds 30 million pieces. The company started construction in March 2021. Production began sequentially on July 1, 2022, and by November 2022 was fully operational.
The park occupies a total area of 150 acres. There are 10 plants and office buildings. A total of 110,000 square meters of capacity area.
It is a new garden-style auto parts industrial park, but also some county investment key enterprises. Now we are looking at Building 8. It is the administrative office in Jiangxi area. It is now on the first floor of our office building. On the right is our filter lab. Let's come in and have a look around. What we see in front of us now is our staff living quarters and entrepreneurship university, which are also our offline training centers. Directly in front is our staff canteen and dormitory. In the foreground is our playing field area. Okay, now I'll officially lead you on a tour of the factory. The first thing we see is the Aero Auto Parts Chain Image Store display, which shows all the categories of products we deal with. Next, we came to our new energy automotive filter production workshop. Here are two of our fully automated cabin filter production lines, with an average monthly design capacity of 500,000 PCS, belonging to the new energy automation, digitalization, intelligent production workshop. Is our technical team independent research and development of innovative production line. Here is the production workshop of spin-on oil filter and fuel filter. There are two production lines. The designed annual output is 15 million. Here is the PP workshop, which produces PP-type air filters as well as PP-type cabin filters. It is specialized in the production of all kinds of PP air filters, cabin filters, and eco-air filters, with a monthly design output of 300,000 PCS, and has more than 500 sets of self-developed molds, and currently develops about 20 new products every month. This is the production workshop of cartridge filter. It's specialized in the production of oil filter and fuel filter element. Imported SY curing paper is used in paper core oil filter. Its thickness, stiffness, aperture, air permeability, burst strength can meet the OEM standard requirements. Designed monthly average output of more than 300,000 PCS. This is the production workshop of panel air filter. There are 3 production lines. The monthly output can reach more than 300,000 pieces. More than 650 PU air filters can be produced. Has more than 2,000 sets of molds. We can develop about 20 new filters every month. Next, I will continue to show you around our logistics park. This is the logistics center of Aero Auto Parts, which was completed and put into use in November 2022. It consists of 3 high-standard factory buildings. It covers an area of more than 17,000 square meters. 2.5 million products are stored according to current product attributes. The maximum storage capacity is 3.5 million PCS.